In this question, we are given that Kim and Sue each bought some roses and some daisies. We are also told that Kim bought the same total number of roses and daisies as Sue. So, the number of roses that Kim purchased and the daisies, that is the total number of flowers that was purchased by Kim and the total number of flowers that was purchased by Sue, is the same. We have to find out what's the price of Kim's purchase. So we have to find if the value of Kim's purchase of the total flowers higher than the price of Sue's purchase of roses and daisies. Now, from the table, it can be easily inferred that the price of roses is greater than the price of daisies. Hence, the person who buys more number of roses will have spent more. Let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. So we basically have to look for the information of who bought more number of roses from the two statements. Now, the statement 1 tells us that Kim bought twice as many daisies as roses. So here we are given information about Kim's purchase. In this, if she bought X number of roses, then the number of daisies that Kim will be equal to 2 times X. But here we have no information about Sue's purchase. Hence, the statement 1 is not sufficient because it does not tell us about the number of roses or daisies that Sue purchased. So, we cannot compare the price spent. Hence, statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2, we are given that Kim bought 4 more roses than Sue. Now, in the pre-analysis that we did in step 1, we can see that we had to check who bought more number of roses. Since the price of roses is greater, that will imply that Kim or Sue must have spent more, depending on who bought more number of roses. Now, since statement 2 directly tells us that Kim bought 4 more roses than Sue, this would imply that Kim's purchase was greater than Sue's purchase. Hence, statement 2 is sufficient, and thus the correct answer is option B.